Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you how to make right purl cross or RPC the cable like that on 5 stitches with and without the cable needle. I have a little swatch with 5 stitches, 2 knit, 1 purl and 2 knit. Let's start with the cable needle. First of all, slip 3 stitches from the left needle to the cable needle. Slip, slip, slip. Okay, and place the cable needle behind our swatch. Pick up the yarn and now knit 2 stitches from the left needle. And now slip the last stitch from the cable needle onto the left stitch. Here is it. Place the yarn to the front, slip the stitch, and now we need to purl it, but at first carefully place the cable needle in the front of the rock, like this. Pick up the yarn and now purl it. And now knit 2 stitches from the cable needle. Slide it and knit 1 stitch, knit 2nd stitch. Okay, we did it. And here is the wrong side of our swatch. And now we make right purl cross without the cable needle. So we need to rearrange the 3rd stitch at the beginning of our left needle. So we pick it up, pinch 3 stitches and pull it off the left needle, and pick it up to the left needle again and pick up the purl stitch. And now pick up the last knit stitches on the right needle, pull it off the left needle, all the stitches, and quickly and carefully pick up the 3 first stitches onto the left needle. Pick up the knit stitches at first, and then pick up the last purl stitch and slip 2 knit stitches onto the left needle. And now we need to knit 2, purl 1 and knit 2. Knit, knit, purl 1, and knit 2 last stitches. Okay, here we are, the right side of our swatch and the wrong side of our swatch. We make right purl cross on 5 stitches or 5 stitches RPC without the cable needle. And here is our swatch after the 2 rows. This is the wrong side, the same, and the right side.